Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to this channel. My name is Maggie, and in case you're new over here, I normally get to do lifestyle videos, and in today's video I'll just be doing a cleaning motivational video. Hope it gets to inspire you, and just get to hit that subscription button and also give this video a like.
Why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same?
I try as much as I can to wash my curtains at least once a month if possible, and here I'm just trying to clean up my TV stand because where I live there is a lot of dust and I have to clean at least twice a week or even 3 times a week.
Pinning them down, I'm finding it's useless. 'Cause you come to mind at the worst of times. Oh, why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
I normally use Magni all-purpose disinfectant on my floor, and apparently I have a 4-month-old kitten, and it's always advisable to disinfect your space regularly when you have pets or even small kids around, just to kill germs which gets to be around us.
Miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid. Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
So guys, this is the state of my fridge. We have a fish, some beans, and also some meat broth that is. And going down here, it's also super empty. I just want to show you before and after I get to arrange the grocery, and I hope it will turn out so well because inaibu kubwa. So let's get into it.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, 'cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, 'cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night, go try.
In case you're interested with the fridge mats, you can get them in Kamukunji at a very affordable price. I think it was 300 or 350. I can't remember so well, but they are so super functional and very easy to wipe. Next, I'll just be cleaning the fridge and removing the glass top that is and washing it very well. Then I'll return them laterwards.
We do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure, like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend.
I normally wash my evening dishes at night. That's why you will see I don't have any dishes apart from the ones that I used for my breakfast early in the day and the fridge organizers. I found this trick to be so helpful because I'm that busy person, especially during the morning hours. You can get to try this trick and let me know what you think about it in our next video. And so guys, I'm all done, and for those who are interested with this type of mats, just get them in Kamukonji. I think it was at 250 bob. I'm already done with up here and down here. And as you feel like arrange the things, I just want my fridge to have that fresh air. Then I think I might arrange the items tomorrow, if at all I won't be able. And so guys, as I was saying, I have to wrap this video at this particular moment. Not the whole vlog that is, but the cleaning that is. Because as I can see, it's almost 9 p.m. That's Japika. I know, right? Yeah. So I have to cut this video and we continue the cleaning tomorrow, since tomorrow is just a new day and a good day. It's on Friday. Hoping this video will be up by Saturday. I'll be uploading videos on Saturday, God willing. So, and in case you're interested with such, I had showcased them in my previous video, and also the mats, the fridge mats that is, they're very super affordable, less than 300 Kenyan shillings, I guess. So in case you're interested, just get to visit Kamukonji, and let me get to see you tomorrow, guys. So guys, this is the next morning, and all I will be doing is just a quick kitchen cleaning, disinfecting my countertop and also soaking my kitchen towels with hot water. I am using Magni kitchen cleaner. It's also a disinfectant, so similar to the one that I was using in my living room, but this one, it's purposely for the kitchen, and it's so important to disinfect your counter space, since that's where we get to place our food items. Lastly, I'm cleaning my kitchen sink space and soaking the kitchen towels with hot water, and later I'll get to wash them when I come back from work. afternoon, guys. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, today it's on Saturday. I'm supposed to wrap this video and post it today. I hope I'll be able to do so by Sanane, and I'm about to head out because I have a client today. It's on Saturday. By the way, for some of you who don't know, I'm a house agent, that is. So in case you're looking for a house, you can just get to check on my first channel. This is my second channel. My first channel, Maggie Gitundu, where I get to showcase affordable houses or even high-end houses in case you're interested with them. Yeah, so with all that, I'm all done. Nisharudisha hadi curtains zangu, and something I just forgot ni kuzipeleka kwa fundi. Ama tuseme ni uzembe cause kupeleka ndio sitapeleka, but curtains ziko sawa. And guys, without too much talk, let me get to say thank you so much if you have watched up to here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Get to subscribe. Let's get to hit to 1,000 subscribers. But this we're back, I think 50 people only to hit at 1K. And to hit 1K, I think it will be time yangu ya kupeana pia a giveaway, just to tell you guys thank you. And with all that, don't also forget to give a comment in the comment section below. And with all that, guys, let me get to see you on my next vlog. Bye, and be productive during the week and be blessed. Bye, guys.
Come follow me to a secret place.